Hey, hello. How are you? Are you okay? Yes? Perfect. So here I am at home watching a film. Do you want to watch the film with me? It's difficult, but we can do something similar. This week you have a challenge. You have to watch a film in English like me. Yes? You will do it? It's a very good way to practice. And if you want, you can take some chips or some popcorns. Yes, you will do it. It will be very nice. So, nothing else. A big hug to you and your family, and see each other as soon as possible at school. Bye bye.